Okay, so what we're going to do today is we are going to learn how to do a linear regression, or otherwise known as a line of best fit. So on previous ones we learned how to input data, and then we learned how to make a scatter plot. Now we just need to do a linear regression. So kind of like whenever we want to do anything cool, the place we have to go to is menu. So I go to menu and I have all this stuff. Yours might look slightly different whether you have the update or not, but either way, no matter what, will have this Analyze button. So if we go to Analyze, we can go over here and there's a button called Regression. That's our fancy word for line of best fit. Now, we have all kinds of regressions because lines aren't going to fit everything perfectly. We have population growth, and we got money, and we got investments, and we got all kinds of stuff that don't grow linearly, but sometimes we do have things that grow linear. So what we're doing today is, I like this first one because it says mx plus b, and that's what we've heard. Now we could go into a plus bx, and it doesn't really matter, does it? Because we know the constant's the y-intercept, and the thing with x is our slope. But let's go with what we know. So I'm going to go ahead and click on show linear mx plus b. So we're saying show our line of best fit. And I click on that and boom, I get my line of best fit. Not perfect fit, there's not every line is going to fit on it. So just because this line exists down here doesn't mean it's bad. It's our best fit. And it also gives me an equation, 3.24417 times x plus 26.012. So we're going to talk about what those numbers actually mean, but we do know this is our y-intercept, and that's basically when our y is 0. And we know this is my slope, otherwise known as rise over run. So our rise is our chirps, and our temp is our run. So number of chirps over temp. And since there's no number on the bottom, we assume that number is 1. So for every 1 degree temperature we see change, we're going to have additional 3.24 chirps. The temperature is at 0, we can expect 26 chirps. Now, this looks a little bit off to what I think it should be, so my guess is there's a little bit of input data problems, but that's okay, we'll worry about that later. But this is how we make a line of best fit. I hope that helps. Thank you very much, and have a great day.